Welcome back. Today, we're not going to be taking a look at cryptocurrencies. We're not going to be taking a look at any of the top, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, whatever it is. We are going to be taking a look at comments because it's Fun Fridays. So let's dive straight into it. Sokchia says, go get Pipto Bismo and come back. Why so serious? Why so serious? Aloysius Newmeyer says, Skinny my man, how you feeling, my man? I'm feeling good. It's all good. It's all great. Everything is, it's great. It's great. Everything is good. Everything is good. Vayrock says, Malaysia has dinar and dirham. No, dinar and dirham is Middle Eastern. I think it's UAE, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just check, right? Dinar money. So Kuwaiti dinar, right? And dirham money. Yeah, United Arab Emirates. So it's UAE and it's Kuwaiti. So it's not Malaysia. No, it's not. This is almost unique, if I'm not wrong. It sounds fascinating. What is your opinion, experience about it? I don't know. I think Malaysia is in Malaysia it's cents. Yeah, see, Sen Malaysia. We're using cents, 10 cents, 50 cents. Yeah, sen. It's not dinar or dirham. Greetings from a Catalan in Vienna. ¿Cómo estás? Right. ¿Cómo estás? Is how are you? I think if I'm not wrong. ¿Cómo estás, mi amigos? Didi says, love the buy emoji. Haha. Yes, I know. I like the buy emoji as well. So I've been using it a lot in all my shots, right? I've been enjoying video editing. I actually like video editing. I don't know. But it's very time consuming though, to generate ideas and to... Is it raining? To match the... what is being said versus the... animation, for that. Yeah, so I don't know. I kind of like it. Gilles George says, hey Skinny, I've also watched BTC very closely over the last few weeks on the 4-hourly. There are consecutive bearish divergences. So it's yes, you got sharp eyes there. So a significant drop with C could be even yes, sir. That's why we were mentioning over here. In my tweet, I was saying, are we going to get a right shoulder? Are we going to get a falling channel? Right? I'm hoping to get a proper wave C though. So that's why if you look at where we are right now, that's why this is what we're expecting. Either a nice right shoulder breakout or a very nice wave C. Right? Either one. We're hoping for that, and we are expecting this to be the bottom for a rally to come on for Bitcoin. That's the expectation. I mean, of course, if you rally all the way up, consolidate and continue higher, then I don't think we're coming back to 9,008. Not anytime soon. Maybe something happens to BTC, but I don't think so. But yeah, we're just keeping this as a just something at the back of our head, to know that things can always go wrong anytime, right? I mean, of course, we could also see a descending triangle, right? And we could still head lower to 9,000s. Of course, it could happen, but at this point of time, I just don't see it yet. So, yeah, you need to be very, very careful, right? But our hope is yes, a wave C or a right shoulder. Either one shall work. Sharp eyes you got there. Kev says, thanks, Skinny. How many of the past large moves to the upside in BTC could have been predicted using TA? This is such a general question. Past large moves. What do you mean by past large moves? Okay, let's say for example, we look at it on Bitstamp, right? What past large moves? What do you mean? Where? You're talking from bottom to top? Could we have traded this along the way? Sure, but could we predicted? How could you have predicted this? Nobody would have been able to predict where the bottom or the top is, right? So we just trade what we are given. So okay, I don't really know how to answer this question. Maybe you can give me something more precise. Let's say for example, 13th the March 2020 lows, to the November 2021 highs. Okay, let's just take this for example. Could we have what's the question? Could we have predicted this Nobody could predict this. Nobody could predict this, right? So what we do is we can find out what the chart patterns are, right? Symmetrical triangle. So we broke out of the symmetrical triangle. We had targets for it, but the target is not 69,000, right? The target is actually shorter than that. It's around, yeah, it's under 40,000. This was the target. Again, I wish I got my old channel back, so I can show you what I did in 2020 in the videos, but yeah, it's gone. So I think this channel I only started in 2021. So whatever data you're gonna get is yeah, it's you're gonna get this move. Right? You can search my channel, and you can probably see videos from here onwards. Only from here onwards. So you can't see this anymore because YouTube banned me for some funny reason. I don't even know what. But anyway, yeah, nobody could have predicted this. But okay, so along the way, were there chart patterns? Yes, of course. Could we have traded the chart patterns? Yes. So for these kind of questions, okay, I can answer you. Yes, we could. If you look over here, this was a left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, broke out, retest, woo! Right. Could we have traded the entire thing from the very, let's say, I don't know, from the point of breakout to, let's say, the tip of the top? Doesn't work that way, right? So like I was saying, the target that we got was about 40k around there. But of course, normally when we are in a super bullish trend, we tend to overachieve our targets. So yeah, could we have predicted? Right, for example, even when we were forming a wave B, right, if this is an A, B, C, D, E, right, could we have predicted this move up? We could see a reversal though, right? Let's say an ascending triangle over here, right? And we broke out. Could we have traded the entire move? No. The target isn't that high. I don't know where the target. I forgot where the target is already. So I'm just gonna make a guess. The target is like 6,000, I think. Maybe around 6,000. Yeah. But again, we tend to overachieve the targets. And again, you have to marry all the other skills of our TA rather than just trading chart patterns. You also have to include and incorporate the Elliott wave theory skills as well, right? And if you can count the waves, I'm going to assume that this is a 1. Okay, no. Okay, 1. This whole thing is a 2. Went up for a 3, 4, 5. 5 waves up, right? Small consolidation, breakout. Small consolidation, breakout again. So 5 waves towards the upside, right? Trend reversal. We were in a super bearish trend, but the trend reversal came in, ta-da, and we broke out, right? And then again, as we broke out here, the trend reversal came in again, right? Descending triangle. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Yeah. So I hope this answers your question. Michael Rayleigh says, "Hi Skinny, have I missed the boat on Bitcoin, or do you think it will come down again? Do you think it will get down to 12k or 9k? Yeah, we actually had a target for 9k and 12k, right? I'm using Bitstamp. Yes, we have a target for 9k. Not a target exactly, but a possibility. There's no target yet, but the possibility remains that we could drop to 9k. And if we were to drop to 9k, our expectation is that we get a head and shoulders over here. Right, and Bitcoin could collapse all the way down to 350. We actually have a target for 350. This is absolute insanity if it happened, right? But then again, if Bitcoin recovers all the way back up, we consolidate and we continue higher, then that's it. Life goes on. Yeah, the things we're not really sure. Have I missed the boat on Bitcoin? Okay, you're asking me this question over here. Bitcoin is down how many percent? It's still down 68%. And you ask me whether if you have missed the boat on Bitcoin, right? So, okay, let's go back in history, right? Let's say when Bitcoin first rallied over here, 200%. Okay, it's raining. I need to close the windows. I'll be back. This is what happens when you live in a tropical country. A lot of sun and rain. Anyway, yeah, so let's say, for example, you got into Bitcoin way back in 2012, right? And Bitcoin has a very nice rally. Have I missed the boat on Bitcoin? Yeah, look at how far Bitcoin rose, right? How many percent is this, right? 6,000%. And again, yes, hey Skinny, have I missed the boat on Bitcoin? Yeah, sure. We collapsed how many percent? 80%, right? But after that, what happened? We rose from the bottom to top, 2,000% again, right? And just say that, the hype is in. Excuse me, and you ask the question, hey Skinny, have I missed the boat on Bitcoin? Bitcoin drops. Yes, sure. A deep correction, 86%. And then how many percent did we fly up? We flew up 11,000%, right? And again, let's say you ask me the question, hey Skinny, have I missed the boat on Bitcoin? Yes, I know, we dropped 80%, right? But after that, how far did we rise, right? 1,008, almost 2,000%. Hey Skinny, have we? What do you think? What do you think? Michael? What do you think, Michael? But the thing is, you're asking me the question here. Hey Skinny, have I missed the boat on Bitcoin? Rather than asking me here, right? It's like an example. You're asking me again. Doesn't mean this is what's going to happen, but you're asking me here. At the first rally, if this is the bottom, right? I don't know if this is the bottom, but if this is the bottom and at the first rally, you ask me, right? Hey Skinny, have I missed the boat on Bitcoin? I don't know, buddy. Right. I don't know if this is the bottom, but if it is, then yeah, right. At the first rally comes in. Pew, hey Skinny, have I missed the boat on Bitcoin? Yeah, I can't promise you anything. But you're not asking here, you see. You're not asking at the top, right? You're not asking at the top. So I feel like you're actually asking for lottery numbers, right? You want to catch the very bottom, and you want to sell at wherever the top is, at the very, very top, right? Yeah, it doesn't work that way because nobody knows where the bottom is and nobody knows where the top is. So this is equivalent, to saying the saying you're catching falling knives because you just don't know how much lower things are going to go, and when things are rising, you don't know how much higher things are going to rise. So nobody can answer this question. It's like, yeah, like I was saying, you want the number, the numbers to the lottery. It doesn't work that way. So that is why trading is so hard. It's so freaking hard. So for the general population, right, holding is better than trading. So yeah, but if you could trade things, it'll be much sweeter, right? Sweeter in the sense that you could see all the chart patterns that's forming, right? Descending triangle, we collapse. You can do in, out, you collect profit. You see a trend reversal, ascending triangle, right? In, out, you collect the profit, right? You see another trend reversal, in, out, right? You collect profits. Again, you see another trend reversal, inverse head and shoulders, right? So you can do a in and okay, I forgot where's the, yeah, so in and out, you collect profits. Again, you see a head and shoulders, trend reversal. What happens? In, out, you collect profits. Even in the smaller little chart patterns, this was actually a rising channel, right? You can do another in, out over here. Again, this is also a rising channel. You can do another in, out over here as well, right? I mean, of course, it's easy for me to say, right? But it's incredibly difficult to execute. You don't always get everything right, and that is why the failure rate in trading is extremely high. It's extremely high. It's more than 90% of traders, right? How many percent of traders do not make profit, right? In the stock exchange market, I think stock exchange, in crypto is even higher. 90% of traders fail to be profitable, right? Based on Silicon Browser, 80% of traders lose, right? 10% of traders break even, and 10% make money consistently. This is the keyword. We want to be the 10%. We want to think like the 10%. We want to be making money. So how do you do that? right? So this is what you call a high income skill. Yeah, and most people will be doing off better if they could buy the skills, wear it, and use the skills to make themselves, profitable consistently. But yeah, if you do it on your own, the risk is so high. It's 90%. All right. Day traders is even worse, right? Day traders, how many fail, right? It's close to 100%. What percent of day traders make money and how many fail? Approximately 1 to 20% of traders make money. Just a tiny fraction of day traders make any single amount. That means that between 80 to 99% of them fail. 99% is actually closer to 100%. Very, very few day traders make money. Very few. And those are what you call outliers. Those are traders that have an edge over everyone else. And they have the skill that they have polished over the years. And that's what make them who they are. So again, coming back to the... I'm going off tangent. Going back to the question, have I missed the boat in Bitcoin? What do you think? Or do you think it will come down again? Again, what do you think is the answer to this question? Do you think it will get into... Is this the right question to be asking, right? The goal is to make money, right? And to make money, you have to put in the work, and you have to really truly learn the ins and outs of doing it, I guess. So yeah, you gotta pay the price. Yeah. Fibo says, love your show. Could you give some thoughts on FXS token? I don't think there's anything much for FXS. FXS is yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything. So yeah, sorry. Excuse Top G. What color is your Bugatti? All right. Okay. I think I have some opinion on Top G, but it's gonna be controversial. Okay, should I? Okay, maybe some other day. I'll talk about this some other day. Yeah. So I guess that's it for today's Friday Feels. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video, right? Hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. Ta-ta!